Welcome to my students. Myself Atiranjan Behra. I am lecturer in chemistry of Narendra Vidya Mandir Plus 2 Science College of Burhanpur. Today's my topic is the solution. The solution. Let's go to the solution. The solution main things about the homogeneous mixture. Any homogeneous mixture is two or more substances which composition can vary with certain limits. Like any homogeneous mixture means homogeneous mixture. What is the homogeneous mixture? Like any sugar plus water. The sugar solute is completely dissolved in water. This called is homogeneous mixture. Like what is the solution? Solution mainly only for two homogeneous mixture. This called is solution. The definition of solution: a homogeneous mixture is two or more substance whose composition can vary within certain limits. Clear? What is the solution? A homogeneous mixture with two or more substances composition can vary with certain limits. This called is solution. The next is what is the binary solution? Binary solution is consist of two components. The component is solute and solvent. What is the solute? And any solution, the small amount of the solution is called solute, and the solvent is large amount. For example, sugar solution, sugar plus water in solution, sugar is solute because the sugar is minimum part of the solution. This called sugar is solute and water is solvent. Next, the types of binary solution. Types of binary solution. There are three types of binary solution. There are three types of binary solution. The first is gaseous solution. What is the gaseous solution? In case of if a solution, the solvent is gaseous substance, this solution is called gaseous solution. In case the solute part, one of the solute part, gas like. The solvent also gas. The solution also called gaseous solution. The solute part is gaseous of gas, and the solvent also gas. The mixture of nitrogen mixing with O2 gas. In air nitrogen gas, oxygen both mixing it. This is called nitrogen also gas, oxygen also gas. This is called gas solution. Next is solute. In case solute, solid substance. The solvent and gas like solid substance menorum camphor camphor plus N2. Camphor is completely dissolved with nitrogen gas. It's also gaseous solution. Next, liquid and gas. A liquid substance in case chloroform and nitrogen gas. The chloroform is completely dissolved with nitrogen gas. It is also called gaseous solution. Next, similarly, liquid solution. Liquid solution. What is the liquid solution? If a solvent is liquid substance, the solution is called liquid solution. The solid part, in case gas, the solvent liquid. Gas means carbon dioxide plus water. It's called liquid solution. Next, solid and liquid. The solid part, mono sugar nele. Sugar ta kono tumro water re complete dissolve heiju. Next, liquid. Alcohol plus what? The solution is liquid solution. Third is solid solution. Gas, solid. In case nickel metal. The nickel metal and hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas is dissolved with nickel metal or palladium metal. Next is solid and solid. The molten state of copper is dissolved with the molten state of zinc. Like alloys. The next is liquid and solid. The liquid substance in case mercury zinc dissolve. The mercury is dissolved with the zinc metal. The zinc amalgam. Clear? The type of three solution: gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. Gaseous solution means in case of the solvent is gaseous substance, the solution is called gaseous solution. Liquid solution, in case of the solvent is liquid substance, is called liquid solution. Last is solid solution. In case of the solvent is solid substance, the solution is solid solution. Next, I will discuss about the unit of concentration. Units of concentration. What is the concentration means? Any solution or any solvent, the amount of solute is dissolved in any solvent is called its concentration. For example, water. Water किसी solute तमे add करियो. What is the concentration of water? 10 gram तो कौन करियो? Sugar add करियो water रे. The concentration is 10 gram with water. So the different types of concentration. The first concentration is strength. First concentration solution is strength of solution. What is the strength of solution? The amount of solute is dissolved per liter of the solution. In case normally 10 gram of NaCl is dissolved 1 liter water solution. What is the strength of solution? Amount of solute 10 gram. The solvent is water. The strength is equal to 10 gram per liter. Mathematically, strength is equal to mass of the solute in gram divided by volume of the solution is called as strength of solution. Under strength means any solvent रे तो कितने amount solute added कितने gram is called as strength of solution. The next unit of concentration is percentage solution. Percentage. The percentage solution can be explained in 4 ways. The first is the mass percentage. What is the mass percentage? Any solution no solution रे तमरो mass of solute केते अछि and mass of the solution. इनि तब कोन करे percentage बाहर करू. This called is mass percentage solution. The first is mass percentage solution. Mass percentage solution it is solute कोन तमे mass of solute in gram divided by total mass of the solution into 100. 100 रे केते तमरो mass of solute में बाहर करियो. For example number 10 gram NaOH. 10 ग्राम कोन करे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड नबो मन राइट अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट केते अछि 10 ग्राम ताको कोन करतमे 100 ग्राम ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड डिजोल्व करियो the mass of solution is 100 gram. The percentage is equal to 10% of the solution. This is called mass percentage. This mass of the solute also in gram and mass of the solution also in expressed as gram. Next is mass volume percentage. Mass volume percentage. It तो कौन हो solute टा कौन हो बेटे mass of solute in gram divided by it तो कौन नहीं दिलो solution टा mass of solution it तो नबो volume of the solution into 100. For example तो 10 gram sugar dissolve करबो 100 ml dissolve करो. The strength केता हो 10 by 100 into 100 is equal to 10% solution. Third is volume mass percentage. This is the volume of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. एडी तो सॉल्यूट का कौन होगा in ml और लीटर तुम कन्वर्ट नहीं करें मतलब टोटल मास सॉल्यूशन in gram. This called volume mass percentage. Last is volume percent of solution and both are solute and solvent are in expressed as ml. Volume of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. These are 4 expressed of percentage of the solution. First is mass percentage solution, second mass volume percentage, third volume mass percentage, fourth is volume percent of the solution. In case the question पचरे 10% NaOH solution by mass. तो हम एटी कौन करो 10% सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड by mass. This is sodium हाइड्रोक्साइड तुम कौन करो एटी 10% बाहर करो. तो 10 ग्राम तुम कौन आसो एटी सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड टोटल मास सॉल्यूशन कितना हो 90 ग्राम. Sorry 100 into 100 both cancel. The solution is 10%. Clear? Next unit is normality. Third unit is normality. starting सुनो first तो तुम्हारा से what is the normal solution. Normal solution means in 1 gram equivalent of solute. What is the 1 gram equivalent? Is the equivalent mass हमने पूछा है sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide तुम क्या करियो 1 normal solution preparation करियो. लिखे तो ना वो sodium hydroxide equal mass कितने है 40 ग्राम को तुम अगर 1 लीटर solution रे dissolve कर दियो. तो strength कितने आसीबो 40 gram equivalent per liter. This is the normal solution of sodium hydroxide. मन रखो ता जति की इक्विवेलेंट मास अछि सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इक्वल मास 40 ताको 1 लीटर डिसॉल्व करले कोन मिल तुमको 40 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट per liter. This is a normal solution of sodium hydroxide. In case sulfuric acid पचारियो what is the normal solution of sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid equivalent mass 49 ताको 1 लीटर डिसॉल्व करले कोन आसीयो 49 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट per liter. This is the normal solution of sulfuric acid. In case पचारियो तुमको देसी normal solution. देसी normal solution of sodium hydroxide. Deci means कोन 1 and 10 parts. 1 के केते अछि 40 ग्राम ते 10 पार्ट केते हबो 40 ग्राम 4 ग्राम equivalent per liter. In case centi-normal solution 100 parts like 0.4 gram equivalent per liter solution. This is the normal solution. This is the deci-normal solution. Last one is centi-normal solution. Next class हम सुनिया what is the normality. What is the normality? The number of gram equivalent of a solute is dissolved per liter of the solution. Per liter of the solution. It is denoted by capital N. Its unit is same normal solution bro. Gram equivalent per liter. Mathematically, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent divided by volume of the solution. What is the number of gram equivalent? The number of gram is equal to mass of the solute divided by equivalent mass of solute into 1 by volume of solution. In case liter 1 by solution. In case तुम ml mention करते हो multiply करबे तुम्हें 1000. This is the normality of the solution. Like normality is equal to amount of solute W divided by equivalent mass E into 1000 by 3. The normality of the solution. मन रखो ए फॉर्मूला मन रखो तो कितना क्वेश्चन आसपार हो लाइक तो गिवन देथियो अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट एंड इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट तो बात करे कोन नॉर्मालिटी गुड एग्जांपल दोचे 2.5 5 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved 300 ml solution. What is the normality? এরকম রয়েছে normality is equal to double by E, W is equal to amount of solute কেতে আছে 2.5 গ্রাম, equivalent mass of sulfuric acid তুমি জানছো 49 into 1000 by 300 ml. Put in the value and get the answer of normality. Clear? The normality is equal to double by A into 1000 by D. In case तुम normality दे दियो, amount of solute भी पचारी कर क्वेश्चन. Normality value को क्या W बाहर कर दो. Is the normality of the solution. Next unit of concentration is molarity. Molarity. Fourth unit, the number of moles of solute is dissolved per liter of the solution. सेम नॉर्मलिटी हम कोन लिखि देलो से बाहर करतला में इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट एही हम कोन करबो नंबर ऑफ मोल सॉल्यूट मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट एटी पुटिंग करबो लाइक मैथमेटिकली molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by total volume of the solution. A number of moles of putting कर करिएगा molarity is equal to number of moles is equal to amount of solute. Normality equal mass को कितना ये तो मैं कौन नोइटी molecular mass into 1000 by volume of the solution. Like molarity is equal to W by molecular mass 1000 by V. And the unit is mole per liter. Unit is mole per liter. Same numerical question 2.5 gram sulfuric acid is dissolved to 3 ml solution. What is the molarity? It is 49 कोण बोलते equivalent mass it is molecular mass कोण बोलते 98 gram. W is equal to 2.5, V is equal to 300 ml solution. The molarity informed. Clear? The molarity, normality and molarity. Next unit is molality. Fifth unit, molality. The number of moles of solute is dissolved 1000 gram of solvent. It is denoted by M. The unit is mole per kg. The molarity कौन करतलो? That number of moles of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of this solution. it molarity कौन करतो मैं 1000 gram of solvent. In case तुम sugar लो, sugar plus water. So 1 liter of water तुम sugar रो amount of solute बाहर करछो. तर मोलालिटी कोन तो बेटी 1000 ग्राम वाटर रे सुगर केते अमाउंट अछि इज कॉल्ड इज मोलालिटी क्लियर हमरो न्यूमेरिकल उठे आसे हमरो 10% sodium hydroxide solution what is the molality in case 10% solution दीचे तर mass of solute केता हो 10 gram next mass of the solvent rest amount केता हो 90 gram total mass 100 solution. This is the molality of the solution. Mathematically express molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by 1000 gram of solvent. अगर बताइए number of moles of solute, amount of solute divided by molecular mass and 1000 divided by mass of solvent. Next question 10% sodium hydroxide solution. What is the amount of solute? 10 gram. The rest amount is solvent. What is the rest amount? 90 gram into 1000. The molecular mass is 40 and 1000 mass of solvent is the rest amount of sodium hydroxide. Value put karo, getting answer plus तुम कौन? Molality. Clear the fifth unit of molality. The next unit is parts per million. Parts per million, like ppm. What is the ppm? Like tomorrow any solution rate 1 million parts से तुम्हारा solute केते होचे is called is mass per million. The number of parts of component is present 1 million of the solution. One million of solution. Mathematically, ppm is equal to parts of component, any one component like A divided by total mass of the solution into 10 power 6. This is the 1 ppm. Clear? 1 ppm मतलब तुम देखिए मोरेडी 20 ppm means the 1 million rate 20 parts of the solute. This called is 20 ppm. The next unit is mole fraction. Mole fraction. What is the mole fraction? तुमको any solution हो, but solution मिले. Theta तो number of moles ना हो रोड़े n1 गुड़निया n2 निया. Theta number of moles of the n1 is equal to number of moles of solute, n2 is equal to number of moles of solvent. एटी तो बात करो एटी mole fraction solute रो mole fraction बात करो. Like
What is the mole fraction? The ratio of the number of moles of solute, the number of moles of solvent in total number of moles of the solution. ये ratio बार प्रकार solute बार करेगा और solvent को in total number of moles of solution. Like XA is equal to N1 by N1 plus N2. This XB is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2. The XA is equal to mole fraction of solute, XB is equal to mole fraction of solvent. So just check the number of mole fraction XA, XB is equal to 1. Total mole fraction is equal to solution. Any solution, total mole fraction is equal to 1. In case of तीनटा दे दो N1, N2, N3. This is the XA, X is equal to N1 by N1 plus N2 plus N3. The XB is equal to N2, N1 plus N2 plus N3. The last is X is equal to N3, N1 plus N2 plus N3. This is the mole fraction of solution. Here what a numerical aspect of 10% ethanol is dissolved in water. Already amount of solute कितना हुआ? Solute कितना से तो already 10 gram. Solvent कितना हुआ? Rest amount 90 gram. 10 gram ethanol and 90 gram water. Like N1 first बार करो. N1 बार करो first रे. What is the N1? Amount of solute divided by molecular mass of solute. First solute बार करছি N1. Amount of solute 10 gram divided by molecular mass of ethanol C2H5OH. C2H5OH carbon 12 12 2 plus 5 plus 16 plus 1 24 29 30 46. The molecular mass of ethanol is equal to 46. This is the number of moles of the solute. Similarly, N2 is equal to water. Water केतो अछि 90 divided by molecular mass of water is equal to 18. Divide करो केते आसिला 5. એટલે N1 is equal to 10 by 46, N2 is equal to 5. Value put करो answer को N1 is equal to 10 by 46 and N2 is equal to 5. यार आसे तुम्हारा mole fraction of solute. Next XB, N2 is equal to 5 divided by N1 is equal to 10 by 46 plus 5. This is the mole fraction of the solvent. Important question. परीक्षा आसे good question. Your question आसे. In case तीनटा solution देले ए formula पके मारबे. It is a mole fraction of solution. The last unit is formality. Formality. The number of formula mass is present. Formula mass of the solute is present. Total volume of the solution. Mathematically, formality is equal to the number of formula mass divided by total volume of the solution.
What is the formality? Or in case of any solution, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and KNO3. So formality कौन करे measure करेंगे? Number of cations and anions in the solution. Also number of formula mass is called formality. Clear the types, different types of unit of concentration. The first unit of concentration is strength of solution. Second, percentage. Third, normality. Fourth, molarity. Next, molality, mole fraction, ppm. The last is formality. There are 7 units of concentration in the solution. Monrogo 7 concentration only formula Monrogo putting value and getting the answer. So like the all units are a discussion. Like the next class I will discuss about the Henry's law, solubility and vapor pressure. So my topic is over. Next class we will discuss the solubility of solution. Thank you.